Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a job in the hospitality industry. In this YouTube video, I'll write an example letter that can be used for front desk positions such as front desk manager, receptionist or clerk. Now once you are finished writing your own version, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Click on the link in the description for more information. Now before I get started, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips. First off, use a standard font and font size that is easy to read. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size will do. Now keep a word count of around 300 to 400 words and divide your cover letter into 3 or 4 paragraphs. Secondly, include the hiring manager's name. It is important to address your cover letter to someone. Use the person's first and last name and write Dear Mr. Edwards or Dear Miss Edwards. For American usage, we include a dot after the abbreviation MR or MS. For British English, you can leave it out. Try to avoid generic openings like Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Hiring Manager or To Whom It May Concern. Thirdly, a strong cover letter provides context for the hospitality skills and experiences present in your resume. Describe your work experience in concrete terms and provide actual evidence of your accomplishments. You can also tell a story about your career objectives and aspirations, or what experiences contributed to your development. Fourthly, avoid common cliches like I am a dynamic, self-motivated go-getter and a real team player born as a problem solver. At last, write a unique cover letter for each job application. Most employers want to see that you are genuinely excited about the position at their establishment. Alright, that's it for the most important writing tips. Next up, I want to start writing the cover letter example. List your contact information on the left side. In between white lines underneath, we put the date and then the hiring manager's name and job title, followed by the hotel's information. As for the salutation, we write Dear Mr. Edwards. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to express your interest for the hospitality position and explain where you found it. Let the reader know that your profile is well matched with the job requirements and that you are more than happy to contribute to the hotel's objectives. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself followed by your motivation for the job opportunity and hotel. Try to answer questions like, why do you want to work as a front desk clerk? Or why do you want to work at their establishment? Attract the reader's attention and show that you are in fact interested in specifically this job role at their hotel. In the third paragraph, you have to match your qualifications to the job requirements. Now don't restate your resume, but instead provide context, preferably with numerical or statistical information. In other words, make it quantifiable. So what have you achieved in numbers, statistics, or awards you've been granted? A key here is to convince the reader that you actually obtain the necessary qualifications. In the last paragraph, you need to capture the essence of your cover letter. Let the reader know what you want to further discuss and show your ability to work with a flexible schedule. Now by doing so, you give the reader incentives to invite you to an interview. After that, you refer to your attached resume and include your phone number and email address so they can easily reach out to you. At last, you thank the reader for their time to review your cover letter and you close in a compelling way. So, kind or best regards followed by your name and surname. Alright, so we touched upon important writing tips focused on the hospitality industry and we actually made an example letter of around 350 words and 4 paragraphs. If you want to see this example and all of my other examples in text format, then check out the link in the description. I want to thank you for watching and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, then a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. I want more introduction and closing paragraph examples, then check out my other videos. Other than that, thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye!